Hello and welcome viewers, you're watching In Depth with your host Kruti Mishra. The Union Cabinet has approved PM Vidya Lakshmi, a new central sector scheme that seeks to provide financial support to meritorious students so that financial constraints do not prevent anyone from pursuing higher studies. PM Vidya Lakshmi is another key initiative stemming out of the National Education Policy 2020, which had recommended that financial assistance should be made available to meritorious students through various measures in both public and private institutions.
Under the PM Vidya Lakshmi scheme, any student who gets admission in the quality higher education institution will be eligible to get collateral-free, guarantor-free loan from banks and financial institutions to cover full amount of tuition fees and other expenses related to the course. The scheme will be administered through a simple, transparent and student-friendly system that will be interoperable and entirely digital. The scheme will be applicable to the top quality higher educational institutions of the nation as determined by the NIRF rankings, including all higher educational institutes, government and private, that are ranked within the top 100 in NIRF in overall, category-specific and domain-specific rankings. State government higher education institutions ranked in 101 to 200 in NIRF and all central government governed institutions. This list will be updated every year using the latest ranking. And to begin with, it starts with 860 qualifying institutions covering more than 22 lakh students to be able to potentially avail benefits of PM Vidya Lakshmi if they so desire. For loan up to 7.5 lakh, the student will also be eligible for a credit guarantee of 75% of outstanding default. This will give support to banks in making education loans available to students under the scheme. In addition to the above, for students having an annual family income of up to 8 lakh and not eligible for benefits under any other government scholarship or interest subvention schemes, 3% interest subvention for loan up to 10 lakh will also be provided during the moratorium period. The interest subvention support will be given to 1 lakh students every year. Preference will be given to students who are from the government institutions and have opted for technical and professional courses. An outlay of 3,600 crore has been made during 2024-25 to 2030-31 and 7 lakh fresh students are expected to get the benefit of this interest subvention during the period. The Department of Higher Education will have a unified portal, PM Vidya Lakshmi, on which students will be able to apply for education loan as well as interest subvention through a simplified application process to be used by all banks. Payment of interest subvention will be made through e-voucher and central bank digital currency or CBDC wallets. PM Vidya Lakshmi scheme, who can apply? The scheme will be available to India's top quality higher education institutions based on NIRF rankings. Eligible institutions include all government and private education institutes ranked within the top 100 across overall, category-specific and domain-specific rankings, as well as the state government institutions and all institutions governed by the central government. Initially, 860 qualifying institutions covering more than 2.2 million students will be included in PM Vidya Lakshmi, providing potential access to benefits for interested students. For loans up to 7.5 lakh, students can receive a 75% credit guarantee on outstanding defaults, supporting banks in providing these education loans under the scheme. Students with an annual family income of up to 8 lakh who are not eligible for other government scholarships or interest subsidies can receive a 3% interest subsidy on loans up to 10 lakh during the moratorium period. A budget of 3,600 crore has been allocated for 2024-25 and 2030-31, with 7 lakh new students expected to benefit from the interest subsidy over this period.
लोन एप्लीकेशंस बहुत ही क्लियर एक ट्रांसपेरेंट मेथड से होगी जिन फैमिलीज की इनकम 8 लाख से कम है उन फैमिलीज को इसमें एलिजिबिलिटी मिलेगी और करीब 1 लाख स्टूडेंट्स को कवर किया जाएगा और 7.5 लाख का क्रेडिट गारंटी रहेगा। विच मीन्स मान लो कोई बैंक अगर इस लोन को असेस करता है एप्लीकेशन को, तो उस एप्लीकेशन में प्रैक्टिकली वो 7.5 लाख को तो गारंटीड लोन मानेगा, क्रेडिट गारंटी है, तो उसकी कॉस्ट कम हो गई, 3% का सबवेंशन हो गया। सो नेट 2.5 लाख रुपए की कॉस्ट लगाएगा बैंक, तो ओवरऑल जो कॉस्ट रहेगी बैंक के लिए यानी स्टूडेंट के लिए क्रेडिट की जो कॉस्ट रहेगी दैट विल बी सिग्निफिकेंटली रिड्यूस। इसकी पूरी मॉडलिंग की गई है और मॉडलिंग के बाद में निकला है कि दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी अट्रैक्टिव टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस।
Here's everything you need to know about the scheme.
How can you apply for this scheme? The Department of Higher Education will launch a unified portal, PM Vidya Lakshmi, where students can apply for education loans and interest subsidies through a streamlined application process accessible to all banks. The interest subsidy will be disbursed via e-vouchers and central bank digital currency wallets. Application to Vidya Lakshmi scheme can be done using these steps. Step 1. The applicant will have to register and log in to Vidya Lakshmi portal. Step 2. Fill up the Common Education Loan application form by providing all the necessary details. Step 3. After filing the form. Step 3. After filling the form, the applicant can search for education loan and apply as per his or her needs, eligibility and convenience. Alternatively, the applicant can also search for education loan after login and apply for the suitable education loan by filing the CELAF. Can student register multiple times on Vidya Lakshmi? Multiple accounts for student is not allowed in Vidya Lakshmi portal. Student can register only once on Vidya Lakshmi portal. How will you know once education loan is approved? The bank will update the status of the application on Vidya Lakshmi portal. Students can view the status of the application on the applicant's dashboard on the portal. What is on-hold status of loan application? The bank will mark the loan application status to on-hold when the bank requires some further information or documents to be submitted by the student. The requirement will be indicated in the remarks column and student can check the same in the dashboard. How can you reapply for education loan? To edit the loan application form and reapply to the same scheme again, request all applied banks to close and reject your applications on Vidya Lakshmi. Once all applications get closed, rejected, reapply for new loan scheme. Option would get enabled in loan application form tab. PM Vidya Lakshmi will build on and further enhance the scope and reach of the range of initiatives undertaken by the Government of India over the past decade in the domains of education and financial inclusion, for maximizing access to quality higher education for the youth of India. This will supplement the central sector interest subsidy and credit guarantee fund scheme for education loans. The two-component schemes of PM-USP being implemented by the Department of Higher Education. PM Vidya Lakshmi will provide holistic support to all deserving students to pursue higher education in quality higher education institutes and technical and professional education in approved higher education institutes.
Well, viewers, that's all we have for you in this edition. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Sunset TV. Goodbye for now from my side.
To watch more programs of Sunset TV, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to like and share them.